This video demonstrates the operation of the MQL minimum quantity lubrication pump, controlled by PLC. This is the refueling port for filling the lubrication oil from the oil filter into the tank. This is the special lubricant for MQL. For lubricating oil into the tank, this is the level gauge. When filling lubrication oil, the red oil mark will float up. After filling the oil, cover the lid to prevent dust from entering the tank. This is the air filter. Connect the air hose with an outer diameter of 8 millimeters. After connecting the air source, we see that there is an air source pressure of 0.6 megapascals. There are two knobs on the pump, which are used to adjust the air volume and oil volume respectively. The function of the pulse is to adjust the frequency of the oil pump to accurately control the injection speed and injection volume. The minimum injection time can be adjusted to once every 0.5 to 1 seconds. The oil output of the pulse pump is 0.03 to 0.05 milliliters per operation. Now connect the 220-volt power supply. The commonly used power supply is DC 24 volts or AC 220 volts. After completing the settings, you can start cooling the equipment with spray. Whether it is heavy machinery or precision equipment, our MQL pump can ensure that your equipment can run smoothly and efficiently. We can customize an OEM for you according to your needs. Please contact us for more details.